The American Standard Silver 14 AC unit is known for its efficiency and reliability in moderate climates. However, cooling problems can still occur, leaving your home uncomfortably warm. The primary causes of cooling issues include low refrigerant levels, often due to leaks in the system. Refrigerant circulates through the coils to absorb heat, and low levels prevent proper cooling. Another common issue is airflow restrictions caused by dirty air filters or blocked evaporator coils. This prevents proper heat exchange and reduces cooling efficiency. Electrical problems, such as a faulty capacitor, can prevent the compressor from engaging properly, leading to inadequate cooling. External factors like poor home insulation or extremely high outdoor temperatures can also contribute to cooling problems by making the AC work harder than necessary. To diagnose cooling issues, begin by checking the thermostat settings, inspecting the air filter for cleanliness, and verifying that the outdoor unit is operating properly. A dirty air filter is one of the most common reasons for poor AC performance. Start by locating the air filter, which is typically found inside the indoor unit or behind a return air grill. Remove the filter and inspect it carefully. If it's visibly dirty, it needs attention. For cleanable filters, you can vacuum them or wash with mild soap and water. Make sure they are completely dry before putting them back. If the filter is too dirty to clean, replace it with a new one of the correct size and type. Regular filter checks every month are crucial for maintaining AC performance. Begin by examining the outdoor condenser unit, which is the part of your air conditioning system located outside your home. This unit contains the condenser coils and fan that release heat from inside your house. Clear away any debris, such as leaves, grass clippings, or branches that may be blocking airflow around the unit. This buildup can restrict the system's ability to expel heat effectively. Next, check the condenser fins for dirt or damage. These fins are the thin metal strips that help dissipate heat. Bent or dirty fins can reduce cooling efficiency. Use a fin comb to straighten bent fins carefully. This tool has plastic tines that gently comb through the fins without damaging them. Work slowly to avoid breaking the delicate metal strips. You can gently rinse the fins with a garden hose to remove dirt and debris. However, avoid using high pressure, which can bend or break the fins. Use a low-pressure spray and let the water run off naturally. Finally, ensure the area around the unit is clear to allow for adequate ventilation. Keep at least 2 feet of space on all sides and above the unit to prevent airflow restrictions that could lead to overheating. Low refrigerant levels are a common cause of cooling problems. Refrigerant carries heat away from your home, so leaks reduce efficiency. Look for signs like ice buildup on refrigerant lines or a hissing sound near the unit. Detecting leaks requires specialized tools and expertise. It's best handled by certified HVAC technicians. Technicians use pressure gauges and leak detectors to find the source and recharge the system safely. DIY recharge kits are available, but can be dangerous and may void your warranty. Avoid them. A failing capacitor can prevent the compressor from starting. The capacitor stores energy and provides the initial jolt needed to start the motor. Visually inspect the capacitor for bulging, leaking, or other signs of damage. Use a multimeter to test the capacitor's capacitance, but this requires caution, as capacitors can hold a charge even when the unit is off. If the capacitor is faulty, replace it with a new one of the same specifications. This repair should be performed by a qualified technician due to the risk of electric shock. The thermostat controls your AC system. Start by checking that it's set to cool mode and that the temperature setting is lower than the current room temperature. For example, if the room temperature shows 78 degrees, set the thermostat to 72 degrees or lower to ensure cooling activation. Next, check the thermostat batteries. Most models require replacement every 6 to 12 months to maintain proper function. Weak batteries can cause the thermostat to malfunction, preventing the AC from turning on or cycling properly. If you suspect thermostat issues beyond batteries, consult the manufacturer's manual. Consider replacing with a smart thermostat for better control and energy savings. To improve airflow inside your home, start by ensuring all supply vents are open and unobstructed. Closed vents or those blocked by furniture or curtains can significantly restrict airflow, reducing your AC's cooling efficiency. Next, seal any air leaks around windows, doors, and ductwork. Leaks allow cool air to escape, forcing your AC to work harder. Pay special attention to areas like mullion connectors on windows and doors. Proper insulation in your attic and walls is crucial for maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Good insulation prevents heat transfer, reducing the strain on your AC system and improving overall energy efficiency. Finally, consider having a professional inspect your ductwork for leaks. Leaky ducts can waste a significant amount of energy as cooled air escapes before reaching your living spaces, making your AC less effective. While many AC issues can be resolved with basic troubleshooting, some problems require professional expertise. If you suspect a refrigerant leak, electrical issues, or compressor problems, it's best to call a certified HVAC technician. They have the tools, knowledge, and experience to diagnose and repair complex AC problems safely and effectively. Regular professional maintenance, done annually, can prevent many cooling failures and extend the lifespan of your American Standard Silver 14 AC unit. Remember to ask about low GWP refrigerant options for a more sustainable fix.